What if I told you there's a hidden workflow buried inside Google's AI ecosystem that is literally democratizing art creation as we speak? Welcome to The Explainer. We are jumping straight into an urgent tech update today that is an absolute game changer for digital creators. Let's get into it. Seriously, think about it. What if you could create an entire comic book without drawing a single line? Imagine just typing out a simple story, and boom, minutes later, you've got beautifully illustrated comic pages sitting right there in front of you, complete with speech bubbles and perfectly consistent characters. The old gatekeepers? Yeah, they're gone. No Photoshop, no drawing tablet, and absolutely no artistic skills needed. The barrier to entry has completely vanished. To pull this off, you literally just need 2 free tools from Google, tools you probably already have open in a browser tab right now. Look, normally, people use Google Gemini to write essays and NotebookLM to summarize boring PDFs, but here is the massive conflict in the AI art space right now. Standard AI art completely lacks continuity, right? I mean, you can't tell a compelling story if your main character changes their face every single frame. So we are revealing a secret workflow to fix exactly that. Gemini plus NotebookLM equals consistent professional AI comics. All right, let's get into the secret workflow revealed combining Gemini and NotebookLM. It's best to think of Google Gemini as your high-paid Hollywood screenwriter. Its one job is to create the entire story, the characters, the dialogue, the scenes, the emotions, the whole shebang. Then NotebookLM steps in as your comic director. So instead of just letting it make standard presentation slides, we're actually going to guide it to organize the story visually, acting as our layout artist. Okay, moving on to step 1, the Gemini story script. Now, before we even type a single prompt, we have to ask ourselves, why does AI art usually fail so hard at storytelling? Well, if you've ever played around with standard AI image generators, you already know they completely ruin continuity. In panel 1, your hero has short hair and a leather jacket. In panel 2, suddenly they're rocking long hair and a tuxedo. AI forgets. It's constantly changing clothes, faces, and accessories between scenes. We have to force it to remember. So instead of just casually asking for a comic, you use a super specific prompt like this. Repeat Leo's appearance exactly the same in every panel. Leo is a 17-year-old boy with messy brown hair, green hoodie, blue jeans, white sneakers, and a silver watch. See what we did there? You have to explicitly force absolute character consistency. Repeating this exact description for every single panel in your script is absolutely crucial. It dramatically improves the visual continuity later on. To actually make this work, your Gemini prompt needs these specific structural blueprints. You tell it to act as an expert comic writer, and you demand these prompt must-haves for every single panel. Panel number, scene description, dialogue, caption, camera angle, and background details. Once Gemini finishes spinning out this incredibly detailed script, you copy the whole thing. And hey, don't delete any of those rich descriptions, because those are the exact instructions our visual AI is going to rely on. Next up is step 2, the Google Docs trick. This is a pretty powerful formatting secret. All right, so you're going to open Google Docs and paste that script you just copied. But here is the secret step. You need to insert a page break after every 2 or 3 comic panels. Now, why do we do this? Because NotebookLM, which we're going to jump into next, can treat each page of a document as a single slide. By formatting it this way, you're making sure each slide becomes a single, clean comic page layout. Basically, you're doing the panel layout before any art is even generated. Pretty smart, right? Just save that document and let's keep going. That brings us to step 3, uploading to NotebookLM to bring the script to life. So you'll open NotebookLM, create a brand new notebook, and bring in your Google Doc. But please pay close attention to this critical rule. Keep the comic script as the only active source. Seriously, if you make sources in NotebookLM, the AI is going to get confused and start pulling in random information from a totally different document. Trust me, you do not want your epic sci-fi comics suddenly featuring paragraphs from last year's tax returns. Keep it to one single source for clean results. Now for the fun part. Step 4, slide deck magic. Let's generate those final visuals. You are going to open up the studio panel, find slide deck, click Customize, and then choose Detail Deck. Next, you're going to paste this exact instruction. Retell this story as a visual graphic novel. Treat each page as one comic page. Create clean comic layouts with 2 to 3 panels. Use speech bubbles, use caption boxes, keep dialogue exactly as written, maintain identical character appearance throughout. Render everything in cinematic anime style. Got all that? Great. Then you just click Generate. The AI analyzes your script, and within just a short amount of time, it generates illustrated slides that actually resemble comic pages. Now, just a quick aside to make sure we're being completely accurate here. Depending on your specific version of NotebookLM, the visuals might range from more presentation-style illustrations to layouts that closely mimic true comic pages. But regardless, it is an incredibly clever workflow that essentially hacks presentation slides to build a visual story structure.
Let's talk about custom styles and quick fixes for customizing the output.
You totally don't have to stay with anime if that's not your thing. By changing just one single sentence in your prompt, you can completely transform the entire look. We're talking black and white manga, neon cyberpunk, beautiful watercolor fantasy, gritty comic noir, or even a vintage comic book style. It's wild. One tiny text change completely rewrites the visual DNA of your entire story. But hey, what happens when the AI inevitably messes up? Because let's be real, it will. Maybe a hand looks a little weird or the lighting suddenly shifts for no reason. Listen to me. Don't regenerate the whole thing. Just use the revise option for that single page, assuming your account has it active. You can literally just type change the hoodie back to green or fix the character's left hand. These small, localized revisions are going to save you massive amounts of time and frustration, for sure. Finally, let's hit export and share so you can publish your comic. The final functional steps here are incredibly simple. 1, open the slide deck menu. 2, export it as a PDF or a PowerPoint file. And 3, read it, print it, share it with your friends, or even use it as a storyboard foundation to create animated motion comics. The possibilities are huge. Look, guys, we are in a completely new era of content creation right now. You just don't need years of grueling drawing experience to be a comic creator anymore. That date? It's wide open. You literally just need a great story and the right AI workflow. Google Gemini acts as your brilliant writer, and NotebookLM organizes it all into a visual reality. If you found this explainer valuable, make sure you smash that subscribe button. We are constantly breaking down the latest tools, uncovering these hidden features, and bringing you powerful, time-saving workflows that are going to keep you way ahead of the curve in this crazy, fast-moving tech landscape. So I gotta ask, if you could create any AI comic today using this exact workflow, what would it be? Are you making a gritty cyberpunk thriller, maybe a sprawling fantasy anime, or a classic superhero origin story? Jump down into the comments right now and let me know your ideas. I honestly can't wait to read them. Until next time, keep creating and I'll catch you in the next explainer.